Good morning. We have learned previously the voice, two types of voice, active and passive. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the voice, active into passive. See, active voice. She plays football on the school ground. To change active into passive, these four things you should know. Subject of the sentence. Here subject of the sentence is who. She who plays the football. She is called subject. Verb, what is verb of the sentence that you should know. Here plays is verb of the sentence. And object, here football is object. Action is done on the football, that's why it is called football on the school ground. This is object. And tense is simple present. Simple present tense. So if these four things we know, then we can change into what? Passive voice. So let us start to learn the short sentence I will make only, that she plays football only. Now object, while converting active into passive, first you have to take object of the sentence. Object is what? Football. So here we wrote football. Football in place of the subject. Now here verb is placed means simple present tense. So in present form, which auxiliaries are there? Am, is, are, was, were. So present am, is, are, and past was, were. So auxiliaries am, is, are, one right here which is suitable to the singular or plural of the object. That is football is singular. That's why you can write is, and make past participle of the verb play, played. Here means third form of the verb play, played. Football is played. Now remaining second object, that is indirect object on the school ground, you can write here on the school ground. And now by write subject, but that you make like her. This is your passive voice. So while making into passive, most important things are you should know subject of the sentence, verb and its tense, and object. If you know these things, then you can easily convert the active into passive. First you take object in place of subject, that is football. Plays, this is simple present tense, convert into passive, that is played. Then take remaining part of the sentence on the school ground. Then after that this subject you take last here, right, by her. In this way active into passive means football is played by her, means football is played on the school ground by her. So I will give you table active into passive, that you can, it can be helpful you to for remember how to convert the voice while making the voice. What verb, how should verb should be converted into passive. While converting active into passive, here I have given one table. This is active voice and passive voice. When there is a V1 means plays, simple present tense, it should be converted like am, is, are, played. V3. Even there is a V2 in simple past tense, played. Then while making into passive, you should write was, were, played. Here also V3 of play, played. Am is are ing means am is are playing. This is present continuous or progressive tense. So while converting into passive voice, you have to add being in that. Am is are being played with three again. Past continuous was where ing means was where playing. There also you have to add being was where plus being played. Past sorry present perfect tense have has already there v3 is given, so that while converting into passive voice you just insert been, have or has been played. Had means past perfect tense had plus v3 there you have to insert only been, had been played. If modal auxiliaries are given can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, so for that can play if there you have to add be in that, can be played. Remember in passive voice this played is there, this is part of v3. Okay, past participle of the verb. Let us see one more example. See, she is watching TV. Now this is sentence, here subject is she is watching means ing form came means present continuous there and TV is object. So start your passive voice into while writing take object first, that is TV as it is singular verb for TV, is it suitable, is now this ing form, that ing form of watching you cut, and this ing form you cut and add here being. Wait 1 minute. Here being, then remaining part of watch make it past participle means third form, watched and by her. It means TV is being watched by her. In the same way, in present continuous tense or past continuous tense, it will be in the same way like this. See, uh, Ram, Raju was Raju was writing a story. So here see, you take first object that is story, then write was as it is because was is suitable for singular story. If there is a plural, that can write where. If object is plural, that you have to take verb, plural verb of the same tense. Story was, cut ing form of that and write here being, and write third form of the verb return, write return, then write by Raju. Okay. Now this was about continuous tense. Now here present perfect tense and past perfect tense. He has eaten all mangoes. Here sentence that. Now object is what? Mango. Start the sentence with mangoes. Mangoes. Now here he has is given. So after he singular has come, mangoes is plural. That's why there will be have. This should you remember. Okay, plural for that have you use, and for singular or first third person you write has. Mangoes have. Now insert been. In perfect tense you have to write been, and as it is third form is given there in perfect tense, that you have to write eaten as it is by him. Then in the same way, past perfect tense also. For example, she had um, sung a song. So object is what? A song. Then had, as it is take, had will be applicable for singular, plural, for both. Had, then insert been, and third form as it is sung by her. This was your simple present. Sorry, first was this continuous tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense. Then here it was simple past, simple, sorry, present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Okay, if in case if their model auxiliaries are used, that time you can write she will um, drive a car. Now here object is a car. Then model auxiliary will and add here be and make third form of drive driven. A car will be driven by her. Okay. Remaining explanation that when two object will come, object in the sentence, sometime two object come in, direct and indirect objects. So for that purpose, how what should we do, that explanation in the next video I'll explain, and how to convert passive into active also, that is also important. Difficult sentences are there, that how to do. Practice makes man more perfect. That's why you should do practice of converting active into passive first.